Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set up checkout on Shopify. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. Alright, so first up, let's go ahead over to settings right here at the bottom left. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead over to the left panel and click on checkout. Now let's go ahead and adjust the core settings. For example, the customer accounts right here, or the customer contact method, the information, and the tipping option. So let's go ahead and go to the top. Here we have customer information. Require first and last name, or only require last name. It's up to you. Company name, don't include or don't include, or optional. Okay. Address line, optional or required, but do take note that requiring address line 2 may prevent some customers from checking out and reduce your store's total. So just leave it optional. Shipping address, phone number, optional or required. Now go ahead and scroll down, marketing opt-in, checkout and sign in, okay? Or checkout only, or sign in only, or don't show. So scroll down, SMS, allow SMS, or don't allow SMS. For example, enable it if you want to. Now, if your store is kind of a subscription base, you can enable this feature. So I'm not going to be using this. So you can just go out and do research what this one got. Scroll down. You can enable tipping as well. Okay. Scroll down. Once done, the checkout language, should it be English or whatever? And then after that, actually, you're good to go. All you got to do is just click on save right here at the very top. And then go ahead and go back to your store, online store, and then let's go ahead and edit the theme. Just go ahead over to your checkout page. All right, here we have our checkout page and edit it however you want. There you have it. That's how simple it is to set up checkout on Shopify. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.